Okay, I'm gonna show you how to load your KML file from Google Earth into your React Native app. Okay, let's first we need to install this React Native app package. Go to the installation. Okay, copy this. npm, just copy this. I have empty React Native project here. Just like me. Uh, yeah, just afraid that auto enter. Yeah. Also, you need Google Maps API key. You get from Google Cloud Console. I also need Axios. Add Axios. And then I also need a package called XML. Also a converter and add. You can search this on Google mc/2. Then you need to create your API. Cool. Earth rn example. But okay, it will create a project. Just wait for it. Yeah, it's a little bit longer than you. Go for Maps SDK for Android. Have enabled. I don't know why Google is slow making this. Should be not too long. Then go for credential. I think I forgot about. To create credential here. API key. I will block this API key. Create by yourself. Copy this, then close. Then save it. Temporarily save it. What is the installation progress then? I don't have iOS device, so I need to probably I will skip it. I need to copy this. I actually have saved the so this version of Google Service Apps and copy this and then go to Android app and then put Cradle to bottom. Where is he? Like I will paste it here. Should be because implementation is dependency located in Gradle inside the app folder. Save this. After that, copy this also. Paste it on Android manifest XML inside the application tag. Here's my API. Pass your API key here. Save. Probably looks okay for now. Our objects. I will make it fast here. Delete it. Let so many container. I need the flex. And also for map. One and two out. Many view. Where did we need to create map view? I think we create the map view first without the data or any. Provider. It's missing the suggestion. I forgot about this actually. Styles. I need these styles. I will set the default rate. The card. I'll need to first and then the zoom. The delta. It 0.5. It's crazy is in the auto suggestion card, but that here like good. Why every site showing the tree? Still copy this. Cut asset. Okay. I think it looks good. I will run this first. Should be throw an error, I think. No, I forgot to start. X rec. Start. I will inform you if this done. It will look like this. Jakarta, Jakarta is being on this by default. Okay, if you read the React Native Maps library, it shows that they only support the GeoJSON, they don't support KML. So yeah, you need to convert the KML file into JSON. But before that, we need to manage the UI state first. For example, columns. Let's say my place. Set my place the date. Okay, let's like that. Columns fetch KML. It should be a sync. This and it comes URL. Here is your KML URL file. After that, we wait. I forgot about this. To actually get the data. Consult wait access get URL, then erase data, and then catch a console error. I'm gonna know if result not null, then set my place into result. But before set my place, we need to convert the result to JSON. So we import the DOM first. Should be parser. Yeah, DOM parser. And then we also need to import the KML from add like this. So how to convert this? Actually tricky, but it should. We need to write columns KML, for example, and then create instance of new parser, then parse string, because rest of data is a string. Okay. After that, we need to convert this string. So we converted equals to KML dot KML, and then we need to pass the converted. It's safe. Now we don't have URL, right? So we need to save our KML file into URL, posted URL. Oh, I forgot to we need to fetch this once. I need to use empty right here. Fetch KML. Also in this map view, I'm gonna create conditional rendering, like place if it's not undefined, should be like this. But this is not a self-closed tag, so we're going to tag and then JSON from diagnostic maps. Need to pause QGIS. This is because I'm missing the auto suggestion by VS Code. Right, like this. Stroke color, for example. I'm gonna make it red, and then fill color. I'm gonna make it probably blue or yellow. Oh, just stroke with our make it 3, and then can on press actually, but it should be untappable. I don't step for now. Save this, and then let's create some KML file. We need to Create new project, I think. Projects, project, create KML file, and then type as you wish. Example check, new feature, and draw line or shape. Okay, draw shape here. It's a chat. Save. And then also I'm gonna create a new place mark or marker here from gonna create new marker too, for example. Okay, save this as KML file, export. But you need to open this in text editor like this. This is the XML file actually. You need to copy and then host it somewhere like your backend or server. Or for example, for now, I'm gonna host it to github.com. Let's create sample jkt.kml. Don't forget to use .kml. And pause it, make it public. You can access it. Public key. How to show this raw URL is gonna you need to click this raw. This is the real URL of our KML file. You need to copy this back to our React Native app and then paste it here. Let's remove this. Probably will throw an error. I don't confident about this. Possibly hint error. Wait. There is KML action. Set my place. I think it's good. Wrong. Check this first. Password. Okay, password thing is good. Data. I need to console. Bulk result. I have the result here, so the result is not null. And don't parse from console log the config. Yeah, I think we GeoJSON default is undefined. Probably the KML file return not DOM parser. XML. I think it's okay. Oh no. It take too long time. I will. Actually, we have result here. Uh, That's it. KML rest was nothing's wrong. Convert KML. Okay. Gonna it's weird. Okay. I don't know why. Not showing where. I'm gonna pause this and I will tell you where is wrong part of this code. Yeah, I think I missed something. If you see this, it should be not like this inside the bracket. Yeah, we need to save this like this. Check this. Convert KML, JSON, start, just like that. It's exactly like your Google Earth data here. Okay, thank you very much for